Hello everyone and welcome to today's webinar. Thank you so much for taking the time to join us. My name is Divya and I'm from the marketing team here, and I'm thrilled to have you here today as we explore a topic that's becoming increasingly critical for organizations everywhere: managing AI tools that are embedded within your existing applications. As AI continues to transform how we work, many companies are adopting powerful tools like Microsoft Copilot, Salesforce Einstein, and other embedded AI capabilities. And while these tools can drive incredible productive gains, they also introduce new challenges around license management, usage tracking, and cost optimization. One question we hear all the time is, how do we get visibility into who's actually using these AI features? How do we ensure we are not overspending on licenses that aren't being utilized? And how do we make data-driven decisions that about our AI investments? That's exactly what we are going to discuss today. In a moment, I'm going to hand things over to Joel, who will walk you through a live demo of how CloudEagle helps you manage Microsoft Copilot across the entire Microsoft 365 suite. You'll see firsthand how easy it is to track license utilization, monitor user level activity, and identify opportunities for cost savings, all from a single intuitive platform. So without further ado, let me turn it over to Joel.
Hey, one of the common questions that we always get is, can CloudEagle help us manage AI that is embedded within an application? Like for example, Copilot in Microsoft or Einstein within Salesforce. So the short answer is yes. So CloudEagle can help you manage these embedded AI applications. So today we are going to look at how CloudEagle can help you manage Microsoft Copilot. Right, so Microsoft has a suite of applications, and Copilot is embedded within all of these suite of applications. So, yeah, CloudEagle can help you manage Copilot within all of these applications. So, how do we manage it? So, first we head to applications. So, since Copilot is not a standalone app, it is embedded within Microsoft. So, CloudEagle helps you manage these licenses inside Microsoft. So, there is no standalone app. So, you have to search for Microsoft. So we get into Microsoft. So the first thing that you will look at is the licenses and utilization tab. So here, this will kind of provide you a overall picture of the licenses that are purchased and what's the usage on each of these licenses. And you'll also be you can also check what's the usage period, and including the unit price and discount and the potential savings on each of these licenses. Right, so here we can see what are the licenses that are purchased, for example, Copilot, E3, Microsoft 365, and so on. So this is like a overall data, right? So now you need to look at Microsoft has a suite of applications. So now you want to, let's say you want to look at how Copilot is being used within Teams. So now when we head to apps and services and we just click on this drop down, and here we have all the suite of we have the entire Microsoft suite here. So let's say I want to look at how Copilot is being used in Teams. So let's say I'm opening Teams, and here I'll be able to see what are the licenses that's been purchased under Teams, what's the usage, and so now this is like overall data, right? So now I need to look at user level data. So just what we have to do is just scroll down, and here you'll be able to see how individual users are using Microsoft Teams, and whether they are utilizing Copilot or not. So let's say we look at based on the last recent activity, so we will be able to identify whether this particular person has used Microsoft Copilot or not. So this is how you can track Copilot being used within various Microsoft suite of applications. Now, for example, let's say I want to look at a detailed view of how these licenses are being utilized. So I've just click on activity logs. So this will kind of show me what's the person, the department, their job title, and from where they are accessing this license. And based on the last activity, we'll be able to see Microsoft Copilot and how it's being used under Teams, and what type of activity did this particular person perform. So this is how simple it is. So let's say you have Microsoft and you want to understand whether how Copilot is being used in the various Microsoft suite of applications. So all you have to do is get to the application tab and under licenses. So not just Teams, CloudEagle does provide you a variety of data on all the sort of applications, right? So if you want to look at Word or Teams or Excel, so CloudEagle has all the data readily available through direct integrations, and you'll be able to see all the licenses support and including the user level data and how individual users are using it, their last activity, and their detailed usage insights inside activity logs. So this is how simple it is for you to manage Microsoft 365. Simple it is to manage Copilot inside Microsoft. So yeah.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Joel, for that fantastic demo. As you have just seen, managing embedded AI like Microsoft Copilot doesn't have to be complicated. With CloudEagle, you get complete visibility into license utilization across the entire Microsoft 365 suite, whether it's Teams, Word, Excel, or any other application where Copilot is embedded. The key takeaways from today's demo are really straightforward. First, you can easily track both overall license data and drill down to individual user activities, so you know exactly who's using Copilot and who's not. Second, you can identify potential savings by spotting unused or underutilized licenses, helping you optimize your investment in AI tools. And third, CloudEagle makes this incredibly simple through direct integrations with Microsoft, giving you real-time data and detailed activity logs all in one place. Now I know many of you might have questions whether it's about specific features, implementation, or how CloudEagle can help with other embedded AI tools beyond Microsoft Copilot. We'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a personalized demo for your organization, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team. We are here to help you get the most value from your SaaS and AI investments. Thank you again for joining us today, and we look forward to helping you optimize your AI license management. Have a great rest of your day.